In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter time in QuickBooks Online. Entering time correctly in QuickBooks Online is an important part of keeping payroll, job costing, and client billing accurate. The good news is that the process is simple once you know where to go and what each option is used for. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the time entry area, how to choose the right type of timesheet, and what details you need to fill in before saving. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and go to All Apps. From there, select Time and then choose Time Entries. This is the section where you can manually record work hours for yourself or for other workers, depending on your access and setup. Once you're in the Time Entries area, look for the Add Time drop-down. This is where you decide what type of entry you want to create. You'll usually see two options here, Single Time Entry and Weekly Time Entry. If you only need to record hours for one person for one date or one shift, choose Single Time Entry. This option is best when you're entering a single block of time and want to keep things quick and straightforward. If you need to enter multiple days of time at once, choose Weekly Time Entry instead. This is helpful for bulk timesheets because it lets you record a full week's worth of hours for one worker in a more efficient layout. It can save time and reduce repetitive data entry, especially if you're updating several workdays in one sitting. After choosing the entry type, fill in the required details. Start by selecting the worker, then enter the date, the number of hours worked, and the service details. These fields help QuickBooks understand who worked, when they worked, how long they worked, and what the time should be associated with. Taking a moment to verify these details can help prevent reporting errors later. If you're using service details for tracking jobs, tasks, or billable work, make sure you choose the correct option so your records stay organized. Accuracy here can make a big difference when reviewing labor costs or preparing invoices. Once everything looks correct, save the entry. That's it, your time has now been recorded in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, always review the worker, date, and hours before saving, especially when entering weekly timesheets. A quick check can help you avoid mistakes and keep your time tracking clean and reliable. Thanks for watching, and that's how to enter time in QuickBooks Online.